Hello magical colors. Today we are going to draw what? Today we're going to draw horse. Let's draw horse. To draw horse, what do we need? We need one paper. We need some color like a brown pencil and a marker. But if you don't have, that's okay. You can start with a pencil only. So to draw a horse, it is very, very easy. We're going to draw only a head of our horse. So make a curve a little bit. Goes like this, okay? And then make a U shape on the top of the curve, okay? This time it is a little bit like a, let's put a point, okay? Like a pointy, not too pointy, but nice and roundish from the top and shallow from the here, okay? Now we need to make eye socket here. Let's make two eye for our horse. These are the eye sockets, okay? And then we're going to go make a curve, go down, and curve that goes down. Now you can make one circle here like this, okay? Let's put the two nostrils on the corner, and you can color it black if you like to, okay? And from this side as well, and color it dark. Let's add one more line for mouth, like a semicircle. You can come out and make a line and connect. Now what do we need? We need to make an eye. This is the eye socket. And now let's make a nice eye for our horse. Curve, like a circle inside, or like a U, and make an oval under it. Okay, and color it dark. Just like that. Let it make a little bit bigger socket this time. Make it circle. Make a line a little bit downer. Make a like a U, and make a nice oval shape under. This is our face of our horse. So now let's make a little dotted line to indicate that this is a bones and a marks on our horse face. Horse has a bushy eyebrows, okay? They have so much hair everywhere. This for the when they have it here on the head as well. So let's put some hair for the horse like this, like a petals, okay? Their hair are really useful. It is useful in many things. Even people make paintbrush out of the horse hair, okay? Now let's make an ear. To make an ear, just make a slant line, go up, go up. Now make a little curve, make a round and come down. Curve, little round and come down, okay? And then make one more line behind and come down. Just like to show it is bended from inside. And let's make a triangle here, like a backwards V, to show it is inside the ear, okay? So let's make this side as well, backwards V, and color it, fill it. That's it. And now we need to make a horse mane. Okay, so let's make a curved line that goes down, come back, curve, go down, come back, curve, go down, come back. See, come back big and come back small. You can make it overlap as well if you like to. So keep connecting and go down and come in. Let's make the body from here and under the eyes, okay? The body is going that way, and we are making the face. And let's make lot of mane. Even you can turn and do it nice, like a S and backwards S and curves and S and curve and come back, connect, come back, and just like that make all till down. The whole back is with the mane, and they float when they run, and it is really cute too. See that? They have a nice big mane here. See, you can even add few lines here as well, here too. Okay, let's make some mane going this way because it is all coming from this side and it's behind here, and it is just going from this, from their head. Okay, just make a curve and connect and come like this. Okay, so this our beautiful horse is ready. Let's do an outline. If you have a marker, you can go ahead and do the outline. First, what did we do? We did a like this semicircle, and we made a roundish head, backwards U. We made a nice big eye socket and place the eyes inside and make an oval shape. Let's do it this side as well. Make a little bigger, make a round like a U shape and make an oval under it. Okay, now let's make some eyebrows, and then we connect like this. Just make a line and you can connect this way as well. Okay, let's do it from this side also. Make a line and then you can make eyebrows this way. Okay, now let's make a face. We made a circle. Okay, and then we connect from our head to the mouth like this. Okay, and make two nostrils. Okay, you can connect like this. Yeah, like teardrops also you can make it. Make a mouth goes under one more like a semicircle. Let's make a body, just a back from both the side. Okay, and let's make a ear as well. Okay, to make an ear, just make a line that goes up and curve and come down. Now make one more line just right. Make a straight line, curve, come down, and make this also come down like a ears are turning. Okay, now you can make inside the ear backwards V and then color the backwards. See, so it shows under the ears. Okay, so now let's make a mane, some hair on the head. Okay, you can decorate as you like, straight lines or curves and waves, because wherever the air is going, the hair is flowing that way. Okay, so let's make like just a little line to show that it has a bone marks over there too. Okay, now let's make some big curves like an S and a backwards S. You can just follow the lines you have drawn with a pencil, or you can create new one as well. Okay, with the dark marker it looks really cool to create a mane overlapping and floating through the as the horse is running or the wind is passing by. So just keep on making till the top of the head, and they have really nice big long manes. Okay, they are mammals and they are very fast runner, and they can give a good ride. Did you had a horseback ride? I think you do.